I think Taste of Dublin is a really good festival, especially for food and for any kind of beverages, and it really, really represents like great taste. And we've got new research that represents that our Lions Gold Blend is the best tasting, great tasting Gold Blend tea in Ireland. We did blind taste research, and we've outperformed our competitors completely on like things like taste, aroma, flavour, and the mouthfeel as well. So we just decided that we come to taste. We've never been here before. It's our first time here, and we're absolutely delighted. The people that are here are really interested in their food and in their beverages, and everybody that comes into the tent is really interested to taste the tea. And some people that haven't tasted it before, it's really, really good as well. And I think we just want to get our message across that we are a great tasting tea, and that's why we're here at a taste event. It's brilliant to be here.
My name's Nick Bunston. I'm a master tea taster. And I'm going to tell you about the best way to make a cup of tea, the top tips. The important thing is water is one of the most important aspects. And what you need to do, if you're making tea first thing in the morning, flush the tap out for about 15 seconds to get fresh water. Take your kettle, make sure it's emptied of all the previously boiled water, and fill it up with the fresh water. The reason for that is that it's full of oxygen, and the oxygen will help the brewing to give you a lot of flavour. Bring the kettle straight to the boil and then pour it straight onto the tea bags, either in a pot or a mug, and allow it to brew for at least 1 to 2 minutes. And if you like really strong tea, brew it for up to 5 minutes. Will still give you a good cup of tea. The other thing is that if you're using tea from a teapot, the best thing is to put milk in first into your cup or your mug and pour the tea onto it. It gives you a better flavour. Now, of course, if you're brewing a tea bag directly in the mug, you can't do that, so you'll need to add the milk onto the tea. But the thing is then to give it a stir and squeeze out the bag when you remove it, and you'll still get a perfect cup of tea. Now, the best milks, again, to use are semi-skimmed or full cream milk. Skimmed milk or some of the UHT or long life milks are really terrible. They ruin the flavour. And the other thing is really to not drink it too hot, not too quickly. You need the temperature to drop a little, otherwise the heat will burn your taste buds and impair the flavour. And I think that'll give you the perfect cup of tea. Our
theme of the tent this year is that it's where great taste meets great style, and we've teamed up with a fellow Lions tea addict, Mr. Philip Tracy, who, as we all know, is a fantastic fashion designer. He's absolutely fantastic. He put 100 hours into making this magnificent piece of headwear. It's absolutely fantastic. He actually thinks it's one of his favourite pieces he's ever made himself. He's described as being amazing, and for us, we think that's a brilliant accolade for our brand. It's really, the piece actually is kind of like, it's feathers that are twisted, and what they do is they represent the actual tea brewing in the cup, so there's a lot of inspiration behind it. One of the lucky visitors to our stand at Taste is actually going to win this, and as well people can log on to our website. They've been able to win through that because obviously there's some people that can't make it to Taste it, be it for holidays or other reasons, so they can enter online as well. 5 lucky consumers that won a competition we did online to bring a guest along here and to become a tea expert at our tea masterclass, and we've got 10 people inside in our tent today, and they're really enjoying the experience. It's getting people to realise that tea isn't just tea, you know, it's more than that. And I think in Ireland we drink over 300 million litres of tea a year, so I think we're really tea connoisseurs here, and it's great to kind of learn a little bit more about what you're actually drinking on a daily basis.
The top teas go into it to make it is probably one of the best teas in tea bags on the market today, and it is better than even individual speciality teas, I think, in terms of quality and flavour.